Yeah, welcome back. If you are a PhD student or a master student struggling with NVivo or how to navigate NVivo, so in today's class, I'll be showing you around how to navigate through NVivo 15. NVivo 15 is the latest version of NVivo. Yeah, we have different versions. So here is the interface of our NVivo. Yeah, we have different sections and they have different functions. So on the left side, we have the recent project I've worked on. Yeah, then we also have open other project. That is, for example, if you have an existing NVivo file, maybe a lower version, you can import it on this particular NVivo and it will work perfectly. Yes, you can do your modification or readjustment. So that's it. Then new project is where you start your project. So the project title is where you type your project title or your research title. So we have an existing research I was working on in my previous class. So we are going to copy the the topic of that research. That is what we are going to use for this practical class. So I've always trained my students to learn how to work smartly. Just copy the topic and go back to NVivo and just paste it. Yeah, just like that. Then the description part, on a normal day you can put anything you like, but me, I always add my research objective. My research objective. I just copy it, then go back to NVivo. After copying that, then I will just paste it on my NVivo 15. So if there is still enough space, you can if there's still enough space, you can also add your research question if there's still enough space, but the objective alone is okay. Yeah. Then it takes you to another slide after clicking on next to know how to save. If you put it on autosave from NVivo may not save your work, but I always advise that you put it on show you reminder every 15 minutes for you to save your work. Then you create your project. So we have to wait for a few seconds for NVivo to create our project. Okay, we have our dashboard here. So now, because you are a beginner, NVivo will show you a tour around NVivo just to get familiar with it. We have the import, we have organize, we have export, explore, then centralize. These are the major things you can do on NVivo. So let's start the tour now. The first thing is import. Yeah, import is on the left side of your dashboard. You can also see it on the tab there. Then we also have curate. Curate is for curating your themes or your code and all that. Then cases, in case of maybe you are working on case study, you understand. So this particular session is used to create your case. Then memo is where you write your notes. Maybe you have an idea as you're analyzing, you can just put it there, on your memo. Then we also have queries. In case maybe your research has additional question where you want to answer this query, you can see sentiment analysis. We can see different type of queries that you can run on your research. That is the area or aspect you can get them, maybe your visualization and all that. All these fall under that query category. So here is the last page, that is. So this is where we have your visualization, we have the bar charts, we have the mind mapping and all that. So this is our dashboard. Nothing is here because we don't have any data here at all. So you can import your data by right clicking on the file on the left side. You can also go to your tab, then you click on curate. If your data is survey, you can also import it as well. Yeah, you can also import it as well. So our data we are working with is in Microsoft Word. It's a file, so you just click on it, then you take it to your desktop, go to the right location. Yeah, go to the right location for your data, then you click on it. So the previous data we use, that we use in our previous class, that is what we are going to be using here too. So you click on OK. Then our data is here. Looking at it now, you can see that it's showing 0, 0, both quotes and references. The reason is because we have not analyzed, we have not assigned any relevant statement, or we have not even generated our theme and all that. So looking at it critically, we have we have generated our theme and our code in the previous class. Do you understand? So we don't need to start generating initial code on NVivo again since we have it. So what we need to do now is to just create your themes directly. You can use the left side, or you use the tab at the top under create to create your theme. So since we have it already, as I've said earlier, all you need to do is to just copy it and paste to make your work to be smart, because qualitative analysis can be draining at times. Yeah, it can be draining. So we copy the theme, then you just paste it. So if yours is a color coding, you can add different color. Click on OK. Then that's it. So we have come to the end of this class. Thank you for watching. Bye.